Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make roast chicken. We're going to show you what spices to use. We're going to mix some, marinate the chicken, then roast it. And at the end we are going to have a taste test. Let's do it.
Alright, we're gonna put the spices we're gonna use is gonna be salt, turmeric, cinnamon, garlic, aleppo pepper, onion powder, rosemary, garlic, black pepper, and minced onion and olive oil. First, we're gonna put our olive oil in. We're gonna put about less than a quarter cup of olive oil, just about enough so we can mix the spices together, make a paste. Which is enough. We're gonna put a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of aleppo pepper, tablespoon of onion powder, we're going to put about half a tablespoon of rosemary garlic mix, about quarter tablespoon of turmeric, quarter tablespoon to half a tablespoon. And we're going to use about quarter tablespoon of cinnamon powder. We're gonna use a whole tablespoon of garlic powder because we like ours garlicky. And minced onion. We're gonna use about a tablespoon of minced onion. Like so. Then black pepper, we're gonna use about a tablespoon of black powder. We're also gonna squeeze a whole lemon in here. All right, now we're gonna mix this paste. It should be sort of thick paste.
Make sure your chicken's dry.
All right.
Sorry, all need to be washed.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna dry the chicken a little bit. Also, I'm gonna butterfly it. So it's fairly easy to butterfly a chicken. You just cut this part out. And hand this over to your wife. Then this part, you're gonna grab a knife. You're gonna put this water here, this towel here, so it doesn't leak all over the place. You're gonna go right in the center, like so. You need some sharp knife to do this. Then, this is how we're gonna roast it. This way it cooks a lot faster than, when you have it all as a whole chicken. So we're gonna put this in here. Gonna rub the marinade on there. Let me move this out. All right, so we're gonna kind of massage this in here, and I'm gonna show you guys a trick that my wife uses, which makes this a lot better. You're gonna take some of this rub, and you're gonna put it under the skin. You go, so this way, as it cooks, the whole chicken kind of takes the taste of the rub, and the skin actually gets crispier this way. So when you roast it and broil it, you actually will have a tastier meat and skin coming out. And if you're making a salad with this, which I recommend you doing, you could take that crispy skin, chop it into small pieces, like bacon bits, into your salad. So we're gonna do this, but I'm gonna let it rest skin side down, like so, because most of the marinade is on the bottom. This is gonna go in the fridge for 24 hours, and then we're gonna put it in the oven and let it roast for about an hour or so until we get the proper internal temperature. So let's do this. All right, guys, so now we're gonna put the chicken in. We'll lift it up like so. We're gonna put the face down like so. Got all that marinade. It's beautiful. Now we're gonna take the potatoes that we chopped up, we're gonna throw it in here, because that's good marinade, and we're gonna toss the potatoes in this marinade. And we're gonna add some oil to this as well. Actually, it does not need oil. Do that. And then we're gonna grab our tomatoes. We're gonna toss some tomatoes in here like so. But before we put the chicken in, we're gonna use these little guys. This is a meat thermometer by Before. So before you put your meat in, you put your thermometer in. This is actually pretty cool. I mean, I just got this. So let me take this little sticker off. You turn it on. BF40. And then it comes with an app that you download. So this little thing gets stuck in here, and it has a little line right there. That's a limiter line. So we're going to poke this into the chicken breast like so. And we're going to take the other one as well, and we're going to poke it in the other chicken breast, because we want to make sure they're both working, right? So the display already displaying the temperature, current temperature. One of them says 68, the other one says 54. That's going to get adjusted real quick as soon as the black, and it has black and white. So black is 61, now it's going down to 55. The white is 50. And then you could do a preset that's done on the app, which I'll show you guys in a second. As soon as I put these in the oven, I'm going to do a preset of what I want the internal temperature of the chicken breast to be, which will indicate the chicken breast is fully cooked. So let's do this. I'm going to cover this up, then we're going to preset the oven at 350. We're going to put this in for about 45 minutes, which should basically cook the whole chicken. Then we're going to take the cover off to crisp it up all the way to have a delicious dinner. So let's do this. Okay guys, in order to get the app downloaded, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up your QR scanner, and it has an Apple one, an Android store. So we're gonna go to the Android store one, and you're gonna scan the Android store app. You're gonna look for the app called BF Home. Okay, you open up the app called BF Home, and as you can see, already picked up the black one. Now we're gonna wait for the white. I already had paired this for you before, so let me see if I could go back. And it has the white one as well, so you could see the temperature right there. We're gonna do a start, and we're gonna set the temperature on this thing. So we're gonna do chicken, 165 internal temperature, confirm, set, continue. We're gonna do the same thing for the white. We're gonna do chicken, set, and that's it. That's all we're gonna do. We're gonna put the chicken in the oven, then we're gonna monitor this periodically just to see how the temperature is working. So let's do this. Let's put these chickens in and let's get into it. All right guys, I took the cover off. Now I'm gonna let it bake, and you see the probes are still in there, and then the probes are reading about, I think 175 at this, sorry, 139 and 143. So there's like a 4-degree difference between them, which is expected because they're not in the exact same spot. So a little bit more and it'll be done. All right guys, we're at about 157, 161. What I'm going to show you guys is the actual chart right here, where it says now we're at hour and 25 minutes. And if you see the chart, it breaks it down as far as what it started and where we are now. Start at 46 degrees. 186 is the next level, but we have it set at 175. So if you see the chart right here, it actually goes shows you the temperature going up. So this is actually crucial when you're actually doing smoking or grilling steak and stuff like that. So if you have a temperature stagnating across, you want to up the temperature of the oven or the smoker for that temperature to start to rise back up. So we're going to wait until this is finished, then we'll be right back. Alright guys, so the chicken has made it to 175 internal temperature, and the other one is about 5 degrees lower. We're going to wait for the other one to hit the 175 mark before we take it out, and let's go see what the chickens look like. Alright guys, I'm going to take the probes out because I'm going to hit the broiler, and I don't want the probes in when I hit the broiler.
Chicken's ready.
Alright guys, so chicken's out. Make sure you put before in your chicken before you cook the chicken, so you know that your chicken is going to be fully cooked inside, and any other meat that you're going to use. So this is one of the good devices that I just picked up. So we're going to let this cool down a little bit. We're going to set up a plate and we're going to get to eating. Peace out.